Good morning, everybody. I already kind of did spy with that, everyone, but I left my lines up on the screen. Good morning, everybody. Damn, square is kind of easy. I like the pre-markets for today. From what I've seen, I really like the pre-markets. Let me clear this. That's actually a really good line. Look at that. Resistance, pushed up, jump rope, resistance, gap up, support, fell again, support, fell, support. So if it can hold above this line, it'll be bullish. It needs to push back to that gap line, though. I'm going to go with that as my above. Let's just say 185.50. Let's round it up a little. We'll do 183.85. Target. Get above target would be 186.80, but that's just because it's top of the gap. So we'll do a second target. Yeah, I like this spot better. 188.20. By the way, these lines here are from the Hike and the She Strat. If you have my guide or you're a premium access member, you know what I'm talking about. If it can get above 189.50, it'll be considered pretty bullish. It has a chance of running of 5 to I think it was $16 a share if it can hold support above this line for the Hike and the She Strat, and then vice versa for that. Look at that. I'm like trying to make that line work. Banks might be bullish at open. Yeah, that one wouldn't really work. It's kind of like this. Let's connect these two. What does that give me? Man, that would make it more bullish if it holds support there. You might see the bank shoot up out of this channel the next 2 days. Let's go to the 15. Oh wait, 30. I'm not saying BAC is going to run. I'm just more bullish than I am bearish on that. Oh, I think I drew this last night. What was my analysis last night? Let me go look. Big Dog Chat. Yeah. Yeah, if you want to see my analysis on Beyond, go check out Big Dog Chat. Right under long-term plays in the staff channels. I said all I marked were gaps, and the squeeze on the hourly looks juicy for a double confirmation play. And then I said, now let's actually see what I want. Yeah, I'm definitely going to change that one. Yeah, I'm going to do 142. Come on. I'm doing 142.50. And I think I'm going to keep the break below. I like the 140.50 because that gets me all these lines and it's a price out of the pattern. Expect a big breakout on Beyond today, though. Oh, already went to NVIDIA. I like this resistance, by the way. Lines up with this gap. That's pretty cool. And you mark this. You have that high. That's where they caught support before the big move up. So, if I'm going to assume the same exact movement, since stocks move in waves, cycles, and phases, it's going to need to hold support at 395.77. Pretty much 396. It's going to need to hold support at 396 at open before it can make a big move up. So I'm probably going to say above 400 just because if it can break 400, and I shit you not it will, if it breaks 400, it'll go to 410. It'll jump probably $10 a share right after it does it. Below. If it's going to fail out of this little wave, I think it's going to have to at least break pre-market low, but it really does. I'll say 393.50, because if it does break 393.50, it can go down to 390. I almost typed 300. That would have been dumb. I think Beyond's probably the best play on this chart, though. That's probably the best one. I like Square's levels after it did its run, because I think it'll probably keep running. NVIDIA will probably keep running. A lot of these are also depending on overall market today. So definitely mark all that up. Let's check out what was that one I did? IBM. Whoa. Oh, I thought I exited it. Damn, this is nuts. But yeah, check out Big Dog Chat if you didn't see any of those 4 charts, I guess, but 3 stocks that I posted last night. 2 of the plays I put on this list this morning. SPY was just a good analysis to look at, but it did have good levels. A more longer term picture and outlook for SPY. Oh, wait, let me get this. I'll probably post another like play or two during the day and chat. So be on the lookout for that one. What am I gonna trade today? I'll definitely be watching Beyond for sure. I think top 4 charts I'll have Beyond, BA, Spy Square, and then pretty on a side chart I'll probably have BAC Nvidia, and then I'll switch to and fro on IBM. Yeah, that's the plan. I think I think out of all the stocks I showed, Beyond jumps up to make a lower high, or instantly falls and shits the bed, or eh. Beyond's really in a position where it could jump like $10 a share in either direction. Square's a kind of a overextended play, but considering this thing can still run more, doesn't surprise me because it just keeps doing the wave type motion like in my Iron Hands video. So, not gonna miss out on the opportunities if it confirms. BAC you're gonna want to watch because you're gonna want to see where the banks go, just because banks do lead the way. Nvidia pops 400. I like that one. This side play I typed in like 5 minutes last night, but it was. I like the analysis set on Spy the most though, because a lot of people were like, "Why is Spy trading in a range?" I think we were literally witnessing a lot of the smart money or smart money turn to safe money. That's why you saw the big stocks move, but not Spy. Open original. Save. Alright, I'm gonna post the list in the chats real quick. Yes, leave me alone, Dropbox. Open. Alright, I think that's good. I'm kind of excited to trade this morning. Still got 20 more minutes, damn. Let's go check out futures. That's not even a true trend line. I'd say it was about right here. And then it kind of got less steep right there. A more healthy trend. You want to see a healthy trend line at a like 45-degree angle, kind of like this one. That's pretty healthy. Maybe a little less than that, but a 45-degree angle is a very healthy trend. You want to go off your extremities off that. So if it's like very sharp, you know it's not super healthy or normal. If it's not as sharp, you know it's more of accumulation than it is a rising or falling. It's always good to know that. I'm gonna leave the list up on the screen. I'm gonna go grab something, but I'll probably end this in a few minutes, and then I'll be on for the market with the one-on-one. But if you guys don't know how to play the watch list, please check out my playlist that I have linked. Also, if you don't have guide number 3, you're missing out. There's a lot of really good information on the guide that you'd probably find very useful. If you're actually wanting to make money and learn, I would hit me up. Hit me up for the guide. Or at least go check out the free videos on the YouTube channel that you probably haven't seen yet. And every single day, I haven't been making review videos like I used to because I just don't want to flood my channel anymore. But every single day, it's good to go and do exactly what I do and review this. So at the end of the day, I'll go back through all this and I'll see what happened to these prices and targets. See, was my analysis on? Or what happened to those levels? How did the price react to those levels? How can I further adjust on the next trade or the next time I want to chart and put all these levels on my screen? It's just good to know. Alright, so I'll leave you guys with that. I'm going to come back and end the stream in a few minutes, but I'm going to leave the list up so you guys can see. But I will see you guys in the chat. Make sure to check out the watch list I posted in chat, as well as any live levels and plays my guys post. Premium guys, please check out the algo alerts, as well as the alerts and live levels I've been posting. We've been posting swing alerts for you. You could right-click your chart or get an alert app or whatever you want to do and set those alerts for the hike and a G strap.